I'm going to show you step by step on how to get your pedal connected and get started shaping sounds. Follow the instructions that came with your pedal and download IK Multimedia Product Manager. Then install it and open it. Then install the Tonex Mac software. Click on Hardware and then install the drivers for your pedal, whichever one you have. So we got this plugged into our computer, so let's go ahead and plug the USB in. It would be the same thing for this pedal also. You would just plug this in right here. Right now we're just going to work with this pedal. It should look like that on the screen, or there might be a firmware update and you'll need to run that. So let's plug in your output cable into mono and your guitar cable into the input. And you would do the same thing if you were hooking up to Tonex One. I have it plugged into my PA coming through these speakers. You can plug it into your audio interface or plug it in the effects return on your amp. But if you're going to run it that way, make sure you turn off the cabinet simulators in the Tonex pedal. After the pedal has synced up, this is what you should see. When you click on the presets, you'll notice they are changing on your pedal also. Now you could shape your sound with the EQ, reverb, digital delay. Then you'll notice this light is yellow. That means it's not saved. In order to save it, you got to hit these two buttons simultaneously. Here's how I do it. And you're good. Well, I hope that helps somebody out. Please like and subscribe. It helps this video reach more people. We'll see you next time.